ERP for agriculture cooperatives. Welcome to guidance video on use of ERP. Deposits Savings Part 1. In this video we are going to discuss savings deposit configuration, tasks and reports. In our earlier videos we discussed membership module. In this video we will discuss savings deposit module. Deposits are one of the important resources of the society. Deposits are two types, namely time and demand deposits. Savings deposit, thrift and current accounts comes under demand deposits. Interest on savings deposit is paid on daily product basis. From web browser, when the URL is entered, login screen is displayed. Enter the user ID, password, date, captcha and press login. Now in the dashboard different icons for applications are displayed. We will discuss about savings. Click on savings icon. Important tasks are displayed here like application, deposit, withdrawal, issue check withdrawal, interest posting, closure or check block. However, to function the savings deposit application, we need to set up a configuration product information for this. Under configuration savings deposit product definition, after selecting product definition, in the screen displayed select saving deposits. On pressing, system will display the existing product parameters. First is product definition and then interest details, then inactive and dormant account details. These parameters will decide the account behavior. Click on save to save any modified data and system will display success message as data saved successfully. Click OK to come out. We'll go back to savings deposit module from the dashboard. So click on savings. First task is application. This task is used for opening new accounts in the society for the members. So by clicking on application, system first displays general details. In the general details screen, enter the admission number and click on the screen. System displays the details of the member and account details. System displays deposit date, product. As we have seen, application details, that is account opening details, we have selected view or modify application. Again in the screen, member admission number is to be entered and on clicking, system will display the member general details and in the account details we need to select the product as savings deposit and account number from the drop down list. After general details, in the account details portion, select the product savings deposit, account number. Some of the fields are displayed like checkbook required, operation type, deposit date, etc. And if any field need to be modified, for example, checkbook required is no. This can be changed to yes, and if the society is having checkbook facility, it can be made as yes, or else leave it as no. If it is changed, click next to move on to joint holder details, then nominee details, then guardian details, and click on finish to save the data. System will display success message for the data modified. Click OK, and system suggests next task, that is deposit in the account. We can continue with that, or else by clicking on the exit button we can come out. See, after account opening, we are going to deposit in the account which is already created. It can be cash deposit or transfer from some other deposit account. So when we click on deposit, in the displayed screen, enter the admission number of the member and click. Then system displays the account number which is already opened for this customer, and in the product details, voucher type is to be selected from the drop down list. It can be cash transfer. So enter cash. In the particulars window, system displays outstanding balance for the customer, and in the amount column, enter the amount that is being deposited now. After entering that, click Save button to save the cash deposit transaction. System displays a window with last transaction, that is previous transaction done on this account. Click Yes to continue. System displays success message. Click on OK. System displays the voucher for this transaction. Now we are depositing 5,000 cash into the savings account. So receipt for savings account, cash on hand is increased by 5,000. That is savings credit 5,000, cash debit 5,000. Voucher can be printed by clicking on print button. When clicked on print button, system will generate the PDF format of the voucher, which can be printed and kept or issued to the customer. Customer copy is also there. So office copy 1 and customer copy 1. It can be signed and given. Now in the voucher, generated voucher, click OK to come out, and this financial transaction, after creating the cash transaction voucher, for posting the cash transaction voucher from FAS, when we select the transaction under POS voucher, system displays the transactions that are available for the business date, and there when you click on view button, system displays the transactions, and on selecting by clicking in the checkbox, system displays debit details and credit details. By clicking on post, this transaction is posted and saved and will reflect in the transaction scroll as well as daybook for the date. After cash deposit in the newly opened account, we will try to do some withdrawal from the dashboard. Click on withdrawal icon and enter the admission number of the member and click. System displays the member details as well as account details, and select the voucher type as cash and enter amount in the particulars window and click on save to save the voucher details. So we have entered the amount for cash withdrawal from the account and click on save. Since we forgot to enter the voucher type, system is so. After entering the amount and selected the voucher type as cash, on clicking save, system displays previous transaction on this account. Confirm by clicking on yes to proceed further. System displays a success message. Click OK, and then system displays the voucher for the cash withdrawal. It is done now. Click OK to proceed and go to FAS pass voucher to post the transaction. Click on pass voucher, click view. System displays the transaction. Select the transaction by clicking on the checkbox. System displays debit details and credit details. Then we need to click post to post the transaction. Then this transaction will be entered into transaction scroll and daybook. After withdrawal, we will just discuss interest posting. In interest posting, normally it is done half yearly or yearly as per the product definition. So here when you go to interest calculation, select the product as savings deposit, and the last interest paid date will be displayed by system based on the last interest paid by the society to savings account holders. Rate of interest is also displayed and calculation of interest date also displayed. Then apply rounding. This will be used for rounding of the calculated interest based on the rounding parameter. When we click on calculate interest, system has done, it will display the status progress of the interest calculation. Once it is completed, a message is displayed to that effect. After interest posting, next task we will be discussing is closure. When you click on closure, two options will be displayed. Select SB closure and enter the admission number and click on it. System displays the member details as well as the savings account available for the customer. So here, as you can see, under particulars, system displays saving and current account deposits balance, that is for this customer. In the savings account, what is the balance as of now, and interest paid on the SB deposit is calculated till date as per the product definition and displayed here. If we save by clicking on save button, system generates voucher for this transaction, and same can be posted from FAS module as shown in our cash deposit and cash withdrawal transactions. We will come out from this by clicking on clear button. In this video, we have discussed about savings deposit configuration, account opening, cash deposit, cash withdrawal, interest payment, account closure. In our next video, we will be discussing about savings deposit related reports. For support, please email to erp@intellectinfo.com. Thank you.